My name is Balasnehita. My registration number is Shopya 19CS122, and today our topic is about using minimum spanning trees in Kruskal's algorithm. First, actually, what is meant by MST? MST is minimum spanning tree. In MST, in method of MST, we are having two methods in MST. One is Kruskal's algorithm, and next one is Prince algorithm. First, I am going to explain about Kruskal's algorithm. An algorithm is an algorithm an algorithm to construct a minimum spanning tree for a connecting a weighted graph. It is a Greek algorithm. The Greek choice is to put the smallest weight edge that does not, because a cycle in MST constructed so far. If the graph is not linked, then it finds a minimum spanning tree. Minimum sorry. Critical algorithm finds a minimum spanning tree for an undirected edged graphs. If a graph is connected, it finds a minimum graph. A minimum spanning tree of a connecting graph is subset of the edges uh, that forms a tree, and that includes every vertex where the sum of the weights where the sum of the where some of the weights of all edges in the tree is minimized. For disconnected graph, a minimum spanning tree is composed an each connection component. It is a Greek algorithm in graphic theory. It as as in each step it adds the next lowest weight that will not form a cycle to a minimum spanning tree. Now I'm going to explain my code. First, class disjoint set. Next, parent equal to open bracket close. Then we have to define a function, and that we are taking a state set, and in that we are taking self and n. Then for I in range n, self dot parent I equal to I. Next, same define, and we are going to take a function as find self comma k. Then if self dot parent k equal to k, then again it should return k, then return self dot find equal to self dot parent k. Next, again define function union self dot a comma b. Then next we are taking these terms as a as x equal to self dot find a, y equal to self dot find b. Next, self dot parent equal to y. Next, define Kruskal's algorithm defines edge n total equal to 0, mst open and close bracket, ds equal to disjoint set open and close bracket, then ds makes sets n index equal to 0. Then while length mst is not equal to when mst is not equal to n minus 1, then src density weight equal to edges index equal to index plus 1, x equal to ds find src, y equal to ds find dst. If x is not equal to y, then mst dot apparent src dst weight, then dst union xy. Then again Then again we have to print Balasnita York 19 CS wanted. Then next line we have to print edges is to weight. Then again for SRC DST weight in MST total equal to total plus int weight. Then print percentage S minus greater than percentage S is to percentage S percentage SRC weight. Then again we have to return total. Then edges 0 comma 1 comma 7 and 1 comma 2 comma 8 and 0 comma 3 comma 5. Then 1 comma 3 comma 9 1 comma 4 comma 7 2 comma 4 comma 5 3 comma 4 comma 15 3 comma 5 comma 6 4 comma 5 comma 8 4 comma 6 comma 9 and 5 comma 6 comma 11. Then adjust dot sort key equal to in x is to x2, then n equal to 7, then e equal to Visual's algorithm edge dot n, then print n. Now I'm going to run my code. See, by this I got Balasnita Yorkie 19 CS wonderful. Then edge is to weight, then 0 0 3 is to 5 2 4 is to 5, then 3 5 is to 6, then again 0 1 is to 7, then 1 4 is to 7, then 4 6 is to 9. Then overall it is 39. By this I completed my program successfully.